Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Bogish Vibe. I am Aditi. So in today's video I'm going to show you all a very simple and quick smoky eye tutorial. This is the look that I have created today. Creating a black smoky eye is really very simple. It hardly requires 2 to 3 products for the eyes. So if you're interested to know how I got this makeup look and what are the steps to create this look, then please keep on watching. So before starting, I'm just going to tie my hair so that there are no obstructions. So before starting with the eye tutorial, I'm just going to quickly set my base. Firstly, I'm going to moisturize my face using this Lakme Peach Milk Moisturizer and applying it all over my face now. Always keep your skin hydrated before starting with your makeup. Next, I'm going to use my Blue Heaven primer and applying it on my T-zone. So primers make a huge difference. It just gives you a smooth finish and it makes your makeup stay much longer as well. Next, I'm going to use my Milani foundation. It is in the shade 01. I'm going to apply the foundation by making dots on my face. So I highly recommend this foundation. It is a 2-in-1 foundation plus concealer. It is a medium to full coverage one. It retails for 1300, but it is definitely worth the price. Now with the help of a damp beauty blender, start blending the foundation. I haven't used my LA Girl concealer here because this foundation already gives me enough coverage needed. You can already see how beautifully the foundation has blended into the skin. I'm just going to use a little concealer on my eyelid to prime them and a little around my mouth area. Now to set the entire face, I'm going to use this Compact by Lakme. Whenever you're setting your face, make sure you always start with your under eyes first because that is where most of the creasing happens. Now let's start with the eye makeup. I'm using this eyebrow pencil by Miss Claire. It is a black waterproof eyebrow pencil, and using the spoolie I will start brushing my eyebrows. Now I will start filling them from the high point of my eyebrows. So never skip filling your eyebrows because it is an important step in the eye makeup and it makes your eyes look much better. Doing the same on the other side. Now I will once again brush them so that the entire color is evenly spread. Now for the black color, I am going to use my Kajal pencil by L'Oreal and applying it on the eyelids. You don't have to be very neat or precise because later on we are going to blend it. Apply the kajal and make sure you don't go beyond your crease line because that is where we are going to use a transition shade. Now I'm going to use a small blending brush and I will start blending the product. One tip I would give is that as soon as you apply your kajal, make sure you blend it quickly because it dries out very easily and it would be difficult to blend it out later. I'm going to blend it the same way on the other eye. Don't be scared or nervous once you see your eyes this way because afterwards it is all going to come together and look very nice. Now I'm going to use a black shadow from the Morphe palette and using a Deborah brush I will apply it on the kajal. We need to apply the eyeshadow just to mattify the look and also give it a little bit more darkness. And also this is a dupe palette and not the original one. I saw it on Amazon and I thought I could give it a try and it worked perfectly fine for me. So this is how you apply the eyeshadow on top of it and not go beyond the crease line. Keep blending it properly until you're satisfied with the result. Now I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild and using this transition shade I will apply it on top of the black shadow. We use a transition shade basically so that there are no harsh lines on the eyeshadow that we have applied and it looks very well blended. Now I'm using this micellar water by Garnier and a ear tip. This is how I'm going to take the remover and sharp out the outer edges and also remove the excess eyeshadow. So this gives a nice sharp look to your eyes and also makes your eye makeup look well put together. Now using the same eyeshadow palette by Wet n Wild, I am going to take this gold shimmer and apply it on the brow bone to highlight it. Now using the black shadow from the Morphe palette, I am going to take the same small blending brush and applying it on my lower lash line. Now I'm using this champagne color highlighter and I'm going to apply it on the inner corners of my eyes. Never forget to apply the inner corner highlighter so that it makes your eyes look more bright and awake. Now I'm going to quickly bronze my face using this transition shade from the Wet n Wild palette and using a fluffy brush. I'm going to bronze my cheekbones, forehead and the jawline. Using an eyelash curler now I will start curling the lashes. Now for my eyelashes I am using this mascara by Maybelline. I will start coating the eyelashes. Ignore the weird face that I make while applying mascara. I'm using this non-waterproof mascara so that it comes off easily and it does not cause much harm to the lashes while removing. Make sure you apply at least 2 to 3 coats of mascara for that dramatic effect. Now I will start coating the lower lash line as well. For the cheeks, I am using this blush by Wet n Wild, Apricot in the middle. So with the black smoky eye, make sure your cheeks and lips look more subtle because it is a very dramatic eye makeup. Now I'm going to use this beautiful highlighter brick by Glam21 and using this silver highlighter, I'm going to apply it on the tip of my nose using a small precise brush. And using my fingers I will apply it on my cheekbones. It is a really amazing highlighter, as you can see, and the blinding effect that it gives. I will give the product link in the description box below, so don't forget to check it out. I'm also applying little bit highlighter on the bridge of my nose and Cupid's bow. For my lips, I'm using this nude lipstick by Miss Claire. It is in the shade 02. Before applying it completely, I will start outlining my lips. I highly recommend this lipstick and this shade because it goes for every occasion and any attire you wear, say it Indian or Western. So this is the final result. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Creating a black smoky eye is this simple. I hope you found this video informative. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. See you next time. Bye.